The SureCall FusionTrek boosts your cellular signal and keeps you connected in your car, truck, SUV, or any other vehicle. FusionTrek works on any mobile device on any carrier, boosting your signal on the go. Stronger signal means clearer calls, faster data speeds, and no more dead spots, all with easy setup and no external antennas. FusionTrek takes weak signal from the cell tower, boosts it, and sends the improved signal to your phone, allowing you to chat, stream, and message in places you never could before. FusionTrek is the first signal booster of its kind that eliminates the need to mount an antenna on the roof of your vehicle. Designed for a simplistic installation, the FusionTrek's patented technology eliminates the need for an outside antenna, providing you with stronger signal than traditional boosters and makes setup a snap. Simply mount the Trek booster on the rear window of your vehicle using the adjustable window mount. Place the cradle antenna on a vent, connect the two units, and power them up. That's it. Quick setup means it's easy to move FusionTrek from vehicle to vehicle, so you can stay connected wherever you need to be. The low-profile cradle antenna easily clips onto any vent and works with any mobile device. The cradle antenna holds your mobile device securely in place with its powerful integrated magnet. Just attach one of the included adhesive plates to your phone, pop it on the cradle, and you're good to go. The FusionTrek keeps your mobile life cruising. Faster data, faster setup, clearer calls, SureCall.